Hello my acquaintances, today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Ryland merch. I did pre-order this when I saw it in the video, so maybe one of the first ones to review, and it's kind of epic. The packaging came in, and here's the tea. I started watching, like guilty pleasure kind of watching Ryland, really watching his videos like late last year-ish. So I would say I'm a fan, I suppose. I'm not like I'm not gonna know all the trivia. I haven't watched all his videos, but most of the recent ones I've watched. And so when I saw this design, I was like, that is so cute. The color is so cute. It's one of my favorite colors. It's the color of this, and it's the color of my future kitchen color scheme once I, have a house. It was a really cute. They send you a little return slip thing in case you need to return it. I think that's what that is. It's on a sticker paper. Now, I did think this design was super cute. However, before I even unbox it, no, I'll just talk about it while I unbox it because that's what y'all are here for. Look at how cute it is! Aww, I got the size extra small, the packaging, because I'm extra small. I wanted to wear it more like a shirt. There's some designs that they have in the shop that I would like more as like a dress, like a moment, Ari moment kind of meme. But this one, I was like, this would look really nice with like white pants, or like black pants, or even a monochromatic moment. I'll show examples of those on the screen. One thing, even though I do love the design, it is a little bit more faded than I thought it was gonna be. It's not as like, it's more pastel, which is fine. But there it looks like. That's what it looks like. It is really cute though. I do really like it. It's warm. It doesn't smell like anything. I don't know why I smell packages when I get them, to see if they smell chemically or anything. Oh, the ties are like, what are those, basting guns? I used to use these at Carson's all the time when I worked there. That's weird. I've never seen someone do that before. What I do have about the design itself, which is obviously not that big of a problem since I bought it. I obviously like the design enough, but I usually prefer when getting merch and things like that, because the point of getting merch really is to show your support of that person, and to show and to find other people who like that, because you wear it out and other people who like that thing that you're wearing will be like, hey, I know that one. So I kind of like when merch is more kind of discreet, or it's just like, it's not just blatantly saying Ryland on it, but I like it. I would have liked it a little bit more if it just said T or something, but I understand that kind of thing is like not yours. You want it to be like, so it's kind of a weird line to kind of go between like explicitly mine and explicitly like unique, not just logo. You feel me, kind of thing. Like, I'm gonna make some comparisons to it. Anyway, so it is pretty soft. It's a knit material. You can tell it's knit because it's got these lines on it. I sew things. Fleece. Or is this flannel? No, that's definitely fleece. It's sweatshirt fleece. And it's got the tag right here. And it has the wash instructions. And the size. And the Killer Merch logo. So that's a nice little detail. The tag is actually stitched all the way around. It's not just stitched at the top, so it won't be like sticking out. I really like that actually. 'Cause print, it is slightly raised, but you can tell it's screen printed and not infused. So if you don't follow the wash instructions, I'm pretty sure this print will peel up. And that's on you for not following the wash instructions on there, but it's just something to take note of. Like, compare the quality to, so this was like $45, I believe. I'm gonna compare this quality to another $50 merch sweatshirt that I got at the Lil Pump concert. And this doesn't explicitly say Lil Pump, like it says Esket, which is like the catchphrase. So see how that like kind of, you know, like if you see it and you know Lil Pump, you'll know that's a Lil Pump hoodie. But if you see this and you know Ryland, you'll know it's a Ryland hoodie. If you don't know who Ryland is, you'll be like, that's a Ryland hoodie, you know. That's just a little personal thing. It doesn't really matter that much because I bought it, obviously. So, quality wise, they're obviously made of different materials. This is Champion. The print, it feels honestly pretty similar. A little bit, like you can see the black coming through a little bit, so I'm assuming that's what will happen to this, but not like on $20 shirts where it just completely comes off, or like vinyl printed shirts where it literally peels off. This just like kind of fades off if you wash it too many times using hot settings. Quality wise, thickness, this one's a little bit thinner, but I think it's just because this, you know, was released in the spring and this was in the winter. So this is more of a fashion hoodie and this is more of like a genuine hoodie, like it's a Champion, where's that little guy, hoodie there. I do not like that these don't have aglets on them. This one, it just looks so much nicer, and it keeps better. Even if it had the knot and then an aglet and it had the knot too, this bothers me. This bothers me. I will be fiddling with these. I wanted to, you know, because I've never had anything from this company. I say this company like we don't, from Killer Merch or Shane Dawson. I haven't bought anything from him or Jeffrey. I bought like a lip scrub from Jeffrey and that's all I bought from him so far. I tried to buy the conspiracy palette and I couldn't. So I wanted to compare it to a sweatshirt that I got for $15 because it's something lower, something the same. I don't have anything higher than that. These feel closer in material than the one of the same price range. Honestly, I'm gonna be 100. I'm gonna keep it 100. The Lil Pump one feels a lot nicer, but it's not like Lil Pump made. It's like Champion. They're like, this is a Champion hoodie and Lil Pump printed like that on it. So this was actually made or manufactured. I don't know who manufactured this actually. this feels, it's not as rough as this. Okay, I'll give it that. It's not as rough as the $15 one. It is softer, but it's closer to this than that. It's also, no, this is knit too. Does it feel like a $45 hoodie? Kind of feels like a $30 hoodie, but it is comfortable. I think it'd be nice for like spring and fall. I think right now I probably won't wear it for a while unless it's like a colder day or it rains. So it does look really cute though. Like, it's really, really cute. So let's see where it sits on me. Yeah, it sits about where I thought it would. So very cool. The sleeves are a little bit baggy, but not like, I like that. So I love the color. I love how it looks. Alright, so let's give our review. Final thoughts. Design, 5 out of 5. Oh, well, no, that's personal. 5 out of 5. I really like it. It's cute. The colors are really nice. And it's just a nice little design. Hello? I say shipping. Shipping, 5 out of 5. It was really fast, especially considering pandemic mode. They sent me a bunch of emails saying, hey, it's gonna be delayed, it's gonna be delayed, and I was like, yeah, understandable, I'll probably get it like mid-June. It's the 2nd of June, so they really like, they're working hard out there. 5 out of 5. Price. Oh, I didn't say quality. Did I say quality already? Quality. .7 out of 5. That's the 0.3 points that were docked. No aglet. I'm gonna be sitting here going, yes. Price, I have no idea what they spent manufacturing this. Making that clear, I don't think this is necessarily a $45 hoodie, but I am going to wear it a decent amount, so I'm gonna get my money's worth out of it. So it's not like the complaint is there, but I think the quality is good. But do I think the quality matches the price? I think the price is kind of average in that sense, where it's a 3 out of 5. It's not great. It's not too high, or else I wouldn't even have got it. But there you go. So my overall rating, I think, is 4.5 out of 5. I think that's everything for my review. Oh, packaging. Yeah, this is very standard packaging for shirt, an article of clothing. Hey, it's very standard. You know what, I'm not even gonna rate it. I'm not gonna, that's an outlier, because it's, for something like this that can be shipped in anything, doesn't matter. So that pretty much concludes it. You know the bye, subscribe, see you later, all you haters.